More than constructive on tech for a while, and just because you've made super returns, large caps are up 40, 50, 60%, the mid caps have doubled and more. Zensar you mentioned, so I think the thing about tech has been the fundamental change and rejig in their business over the last year and a half. Now what's coming into play is the softer rupee. And there is still no evidence that the fears of the business getting wiped out, or at least facing growth headwinds because of the digital shift in the mix, it threatens them in any significant way. Many companies are at 25, 30, 35, 40% of revenues in the digital mix. A company like TCS has got more than $4 or $5 billion of digital revenues. Now I know there's a little bit of argument about what digital really comprises, but I think these companies have made a remarkable response when faced with existential challenges. I don't think it's going to get wiped out so easily.
Sure. Key risks this year, there's of course crude. We are now at once again 77 thereabout, dollar rupee is 71, and we are counting down to elections. The market sort of ignored all of that for now. What would be the key sort of
so at 11,000 we were cautious, and we said that headline indices don't have too much of room to go up, and what have you get a 600-700 point rally. Indian financial savings are driving the market right now. We've always been used to a culture where FPIs or FIIs, as we used to call them, used to drive the markets. Right now their flows are negative, and you've got something like 20 odd billion, 19 billion of trailing 12 months inflows from Indian investors into the markets. And my sense is that these inflows are not going to stop. We have reached a stage in this country where the rank and file are beginning to participate in markets in a very healthy way through mutual funds. Financialization of savings is leading to that, and then a very small slice of those financial savings are finding their way into markets. I see the rally broad basing over a period of time. Yes, there are valid macro concerns. So I think it's a little bit of economics and marketnomics getting into a conflict zone, if I can.